He kōna ipurangi tēnei nā te reo irirangi o Aotearoa.
Kia ora, I'm Dave Hansford, and over the next few weeks I'll be presenting my 4-part podcast series, Fight for the Wild. I've gathered stories from across Aotearoa about the conservation revolution they're calling Predator-Free 2050. Join me as I learn about the desperate plight of our native wildlife and a nation's determination to wrest it from the jaws of stoats, rats and possums. We'll go back to Gondwana to find out why our wildlife really is like life on another planet.
It was absolutely extraordinary.
And why it was so ill-prepared for the arrival of humans and the predators they brought with them.
Mammals, hunting, killing mammals, stepped onto the shore in New Zealand and the slaughter began.
Predator-Free 2050 means to stop that slaughter. We'll go into the bush to talk with the people who are building the devices that will help us find that last rat.
So this is our AI camera. A little bit different to normal. It's a super wide angle lens.
We'll hear too from those whose knowledge and skills will be crucial to the success of Predator-Free. Māori.
Kaitiaki and kaumātua have knowledge and solutions that we need to tap into if we're really going to solve these wicked issues.
And we discover that Predator-Free is about so much more than just killing pests.
It will have huge benefits long term for our sense of identity, and that is uniquely Aotearoa.
So join me, Dave Hansford, as we all embark on Aotearoa's Moonshot project. Fight for the Wild is made possible by the RNZ NZ On Air Innovation Fund and will be available on May 10. Just click follow on your podcast app and you'll get every episode landing in your device as soon as it's released. Or you can find us on the podcasts and series page at rnz.co.nz.